God damn. You alright?
Yeah.
Fuck.
This plastic.
Yes.
I didn't hit you, right?
No.
That's why I was trying to slide. I hit that bump and it just slid sideways.
What happened?
I passed you sideways.
Just locked up and just kept going. You couldn't get any traction.
You alright? Yeah.
Did you see my blinker and stuff and me kicking and pointing that I was going this way?
Well, I slowed it down, but that's the thing. As soon as I slowed down back there, it just turned sideways.
Oh, so you lost it way back there?
Huh? Yeah, you can see the skid mark over here. See, it comes straight down and then it comes right here.
Oh, you skid what from way back there?
Like I was going sideways when I passed.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Rear brake is gone. Everything else might be all right. I don't know if this wheel might be off a little bit. Damn.
Yeah, I started slowing down over there. And as soon as I...
So you had enough room to slow down, it just locked up on you?
Like I was going, slowing down, as soon as I pushed the brakes, it just... And I was pretty much sideways when I passed him, and I was just going sideways.
Yeah, you can see his trail right in that right rut.
You see the right lane up there?
Yeah.
Right in that
That's a long ass trail.
Yeah, it was the whole time.
I look out of the corner of my eye, I see him just locked up the whole way.
Like, I don't know what happened.
I'm glad I didn't just hit that turn
I
quick.
didn't even really, I know, I was trying
This is not where I would have wanted to turn, but that's where the map took me.
That's what I was thinking. I was like, why the fuck are we going this way?
Yeah.
Because I stopped back there. It was just, I was dragging my back tire the whole time for some reason. I wasn't even pressing my back brake that much.
Man, I don't think that's gonna fucking work. I don't think you're gonna be able to ride this unless you fucking stay in first or second gear.
Yeah.
You know anybody with a truck and a ramp, maybe around here?
It's gonna be a while. Fuck. Damn. You alright though?
Yeah, I'm good.
You sure?
Texas did good.
Yeah.
I think you had the armor in.
Hell yeah. Yeah, that could have been bad.
I was trying to go over this way, but it just kept sliding this way.
Dang.